Achal. So good morning, everyone. The topic for our group discussion is work from home. So as we all know, due to this COVID-19 pandemic, all the companies are starting offering the employees work from home policy. Like employees cannot travel to the company as it's quite risky. So at some point you have to start you have to start doing work. So it's getting quite popular as the employees are quite relaxed and they can do their work from home at any point of time. Like they have whole 24 hours of the day. There is no time limit. The work life and personal life is quite balanced. So yeah, it's getting quite popular. Also, the employees can spend some family time as it was not possible earlier due to longer working periods in the company. The greatest advantage is the traveling time, which is saved. You are working from home, so you don't have to travel to the company. So yes.
Yeah,
Also, for the employees, work from home proves to be less stressful and enhances their performance.
Yes.
Most of the companies they have bit most of the restrictions where you can't have breaks at any time, and other social media sites are also restricted from their internet and all. So at home you can have small breaks as per the universities and all have researched that when you take small breaks, your productivity is big increased, so you can concentrate more on the work.
but we are, uh, but we are no. In modern time, women are expected to take care of home and children. With this responsibility, several women are focused to leave their job. The rise in work from home culture is a bond for them. With the more women can join in the job again, it is good for women.
Omkar, as you said, most of the company offering work and their employees to do work from home, but the full of the worker is not doing work from home. Some of the worker is by default is want to work from office also, because management of software and etc is not comfortable to them from home. So it was offering
Also,
from
work
both the sides.
I agree with Govind. The employees get a good atmosphere where they can work, they can concentrate at a point. They cannot get disturbed with the family pressures and childrens and all those things. They can get disturbed with these points. So in the office, they can work at the they can work properly at the office where they get good atmosphere.
But I beg
also
to refer.
many companies
Also,
are giving a lot of work to their employees just because they are working from home. Many of the people aren't able to balance the work and the house environment, so it can cause anxiety between the employees. Also the work from home employees have to set up work from home environment. Many of them are not able to cope up the work because they are not in the environment of doing the work at that time.
also the
So as
presence of workers all the
But
time makes it stressful for the employees to work.
if they want to get to know their office and colleagues better, then can attend the office at regular interval like once a week.
Working
so
at
as
the
we
This is useful. Yeah.
working at home is more stressful than working at the office.
because yes, I am agree with you, Nikita, because many of the our ladies working from home with their sons, they are not comfortable to do work from home, so this is not an opportunity for them, so we are not comfortable with work from home.
Yes, but according to me, the greatest advantage from the work from home policy is that uh, many companies are concerned that there are quite talented employees, but as they reside in another city, they are not able to hire them due to traveling and all the problems. But due to this work from home, they can hire the employee from any other city or any other country. So it proves to be a boon for the company and the employee as well.
Yes,
Also,
Omkar, I agree with you, but at the same time, the employees employees at I एक मिनट वो मेरा इंटरप्शन हो रहा है क्या?
No, you are quite able.
But hello, Omkar. But we are no training new staff can be tough with all the employees working from home.
Also, one of the disadvantage of working from home is that teamwork is not quite possible because for teamwork you need proper communication skills and help. They need to have face-to-face interaction, but because of working from home, that is not quite possible. Also,
Yeah.
staying continuously at home may may make some people feel isolated. Many people lose their interpersonal skills because of staying at home for a long time. So it may also had an adverse effect on the health as well as mind of a person.
Yeah, but another advantage is it makes less expensive for office maintenance. Also, the office environment is quite stressful because the employees are always under pressure due to their superiors.
But at the
Yes,
same
there,
time, work from home employees work 24 hours fully, so it is not comfortable to work on 24 hours without any uh,
some
hello.
of the companies, as they are providing work from home, so they think that employees are quite relaxed, so they give um, large amount of work that they used to give in the company.
Yes,
Compare
yes.
so sometimes it is not comfortable for the employee as many of them don't have a Wi-Fi connection at their place. So it's really difficult to manage the mobile data and to do all the stuff with only mobile data.
Yeah,
Yes,
also, it's very hard
But
to
it was
establish connections
flexible
of
to
the
take
employees.
care of appointment and events also.
also it's really hard to establish connection between the employees and the owner of the company. Also, many of them aren't able to work properly because there aren't a good power supply or good net connection at their house.
Employees are also facing payment issues where they have to pay for them their Wi-Fi, their electricity, and all those things. Where in the office they don't have to pay for this such things.
Overall,
But work from
coming to a point
yes, yes.
that uh, work from home is quite an advantage for the company and the employees as well. But ignoring the disadvantage, you have to work at a point. You can't just keep the work pending. You can't just stop everything and sit at home. So you have to work from home anyhow. So you have to overcome the barriers uh, that are coming in between. So yes, it's quite an advantage.
Yeah, I do agree with that. So thank you everyone for joining the group discussion.
Okay. Well, thank you.
Thank you.
Yes, I agree.